an easy way to change the background of an image using picsart. Step-by-step tutorial for changing the background with picsart. Open picsart. Visit the website. Go to picsart.com. Open Editing Tools menu at the top left. Select Tools for Change Background. Upload your image. Wait a moment. Sometimes this process takes quite a long time. After your image appears without a background, there are several options to change the background. You can use a background that you have prepared previously or use an available background. Two options for download: free for low resolution results and paid for high resolution results.